Plano Neighborhood Services Love Where You Live program partners with neighborhoods to enhance the community. The 2023 Fall Service Day focused on homes in the Village Creek neighborhood.
The Neighborhood Services Group does a great job in making sure we can help where needed.
With the help of volunteers, the homes they adopt receive minor repairs and landscaping. Many times, the homeowners are elderly and need this assistance.
Younger years, I used to do a lot of this stuff myself.
I know.
Can't do it no more.
I understand.
This home, adopted by Plano Sunrise Rotary Club, needed tree and shrub trimming.
Looks like you've got lots of help,
I do.
and that's good. That's a good thing.
Spires Engineering took on the task of cleaning up this large yard and painting the home.
We're glad to be able to help.
Well, I appreciate you.
Some volunteers even come back year after year to help on Love Where You Live service days.
We were saying this is one of our favorite events to do every year.
Good. Well, we appreciate it.
Chase Oaks Church adopted this home to work on minor fence repairs and tree trimming.
We got quite a few projects going on, so it's great that we're able to do this. We love this part of it.
The Love Where You Live program volunteers and city staff all work together to foster an environment in the community where neighbors are helping neighbors.
Is this your grandson?
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? Let's hug. Let's hug.
And the work is not complete without a hug or two.
Oh, so sweet.